Shut up! Oh my god, they are so loud.
Okay,
They're all flying over there. What the fuck? Are they having like a little bird meeting over there?
It's like a feast. They probably like took down an animal.
They probably did.
Oh my god.
Are you kidding me? We're just gonna have to ignore it.
Yeah.
It's starting to go away. Hopefully they shut up. What's up everybody, and I'm here with TheMissBellaM, my sister, and today we are going to be playing, or not playing, but we are going to be doing a challenge video, and this challenge is called the Ultimate Fartbox Soundboard Challenge. And ItsGrace did this video, so if you want to check out her video, links in the description. But basically, what you do is you go on this website, which we are not affiliated with at all, and you just play the random fart sounds. And what they did, we're not of age, but they drank. They took shots if you lost. But what we're gonna do is fill our mouths up with water, and we have buckets. Which we actually could just spit it in the pool, but sure, whatever. So you fill up your mouth with water, and then we play a fart noise, and if you spit it out, you lose. And we'll just go back and forth. So I'll pick one, she'll do the fill up her mouth, and then we'll just take turns, and I think we're gonna do, we'll do 5, so that way this video is not too long.
Alrighty.
Okay guys, so we had to switch filming locations because I could not get Wi-Fi. So let's see if we can get Wi-Fi really quick. I'm melting, it's so hot. Ew, it is kind of warm. Unable to connect my ass. Okay, got Wi-Fi. So let's do this. So we're actually gonna fill both of our mouths, and I'll just tell you, we're gonna do the Oprah Winfrey one.
Do you know what some of these sound like? Oh, Jocelyn, you just wrecked that. Too bad we're doing a different one.
So this one is called Anus Madness. Hold on.
That was like a choking hazard.
I got some up my nose.
I lost that one.
Oh.
Okay, what's the next one?
Okay. Called The Long-Winded Road.
Okay, fill your mouth up. Spit it out.
I needed the water.
I know, we needed to switch.
Switch.
Let's just say like after a few like seconds and nobody's laughing, just switch it forever.
It's fucking hot.
I'm
getting, like, my head's itching from all the sweat.
New fart.
Okay. So this one is called Donut Cream Filler.
Oh.
Mm-mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
No. I did like 3 different ones.
I know.
Because they were too short.
Okay. New fault.
Okay. This one's called Dwelling Buttholes.
Oh, yum.
There's a little squeaker at the end.
Yeah. No, like I'm losing right now.
What do you mean you're losing?
Well, we're pretty much tied
Yeah,
because we keep making it to the end, but I spit out first in the first one.
Oh, I'm sweating. My titties are sweating.
Oh my god, okay.
Let's see. Slow-mo bow. Ready?
Did you say it was loading?
Yeah. This is stupid. It's not even loading. Well, this one is called Jurassic Farts. Shit.
I win. That one.
I don't know.
It's like 1-1 right now.
Okay, this is the tiebreaker. If none of us wins it, I don't care. It don't matter. Okay. I got water in my nose. I spit a little bit. So this one is called BMX Laps. That's stupid. That's not working! Bitch. Give me an iPad.
Dawson,
give me
no!
an iPad. Okay, just give me
No,
an
please.
iPad. I missed.
I got you. Go, boy! Oh, shit.
Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like if you liked it, and go subscribe to her channel if you guys like beauty shit.
Click on my face. Can you do that?
No. Yes, but I don't want to.
Oh my god. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to me. Oh my god. Okay.
You fucking push it on my hand! Oh my gosh.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys want more videos like this. And I know I haven't posted in a while, but whatever. You'll get every so often videos from me. So, if you guys want to try out this challenge yourself, go ahead. I don't know. We should have did it when we were a little loopier, but yeah. I don't know. It's too hot to be laughing. I'm like, my shirt's all wet. Thanks guys for watching. Peace out. Deuces.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh my god.
You cunt.
Hey guys,